Here I've got BLU Vivo Go, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select settings. Now pick accounts, and here as you can see we are logged in with Google account. Just click on it, and if you would like to remove it, just click on remove account. And that's it. To delete it, just click on remove account, and it disappeared. So as you can see now we are not connected with your Google account. And then if you would like to connect BLU Vivo Go with your Google account, just open the settings one more time. Pick accounts as well. Here they are. Click on add account, and you have to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Then pick Google. Wait a couple of seconds. And at first you have to enter your email address or phone number. So let me start with my email address. This is it. So this is email address that is connected with Google account. Click on next then. And now it's time to enter the password. So let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, you have to tap on next. And as you can see, you've got some Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and Privacy Policy. So these are the documents that you should be aware of. And if you agree with all the conditions, click on I agree. And as you can see here, you've got Google services that are active, and tap on accept to confirm your selection of these Google services. Just click on accept. And that's it. As you can see now, you are logged in with your Google account and it's connected with your BLU Vivo Go. You can use all the features, and this is it. So that will be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily add and remove Google account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.